Oro Hcare. In this video, today we will be showing you how to use dental chart in our clinical system. Any dental doctor in our system can access the dental chart. Using this dental chart, the doctor's life will be more easier and convenient. When an appointment is in check-in status, the dental chart will be visible to the dental doctor. To open the dental chart, click on the dental chart smart button from here. And then you can see the chart represented in the system. This numbering system can also be configured based on the clinic's requirement. This chart is the teeth chart of an adult person. We can also change the teeth chart for a child. And for initial examination or recording previous clinical history of a patient, select Initial Examination button here. Then you can select a specific tooth and you can select the specific procedure done onto this tooth from the list here. As you can see, this procedure has been selected and marked as initial examination. We can save this initial examination by clicking on Save button, and it will be saved onto the respective patient's file. We can also click on Take in Screenshot to take screenshots and save it to our computers. We can also select more than one teeth if needed, or if we want, we can select the full mouth, upper jaw or lower jaw from these options. After the initial examinations are marked, just unselect this button and then you can select New Tooth for planning new treatments. We have to follow the same steps to select teeth for new treatments. Click on the tooths that you need and select the treatments from the list here. And you can see this treatment will be listed as planned. We can change the status of this treatment by using these two buttons, In Progress and Completed. When this procedure is marked completed, then only this payment will be computed for the appointment. The doctor can also give discount in percentage or an amount if needed. So let us go ahead and mark this procedure in progress and then complete it. Then we can click on Save and back. So coming back to the appointment, in the Treatments tab, now you can see the both initial examinations and the completed procedures are recorded. Only the completed procedure will be available in the payment lines since the patient has to pay for this treatment. And like all other appointments, the doctor then can mark completed for this appointment. And that's how you use dental chart. Thank you, and I will be seeing you in the next one.